let's get these French's fried onions made up. As you can see, all I've done is peeled a couple small onions. It's just Andy and I. And we're just going to today put these on some burgers. So just cut them relatively all the same size if possible. Watch your fingers. Don't do what I did, that's bad. Okay, so in a bowl, we're just going to pop them. Open them up as much as possible. And if you have buttermilk, bonus, it's better. I mean, I could do the fake buttermilk with the lemon or the vinegar, but I did it with milk last time. I'm just going to do it with milk. It turned out really good. We really enjoyed them. They're very expensive here in Canada. I don't know what you pay for these in the United States, but how much was it, hon? It was like $4.50 or something.
$4.50.
Yeah, and it's not a lot. Like, you don't get a heck of a lot. And you think for the life of me I could find the ingredients list on that thing? Probably if I go to the website I'd find it. But I'm pretty sure, without even really checking, that I wouldn't be able to pronounce some of those ingredients. And I'm not good with that. So I'm going to do up these other two onions. I'm just going to cut them loose like these little rings. And then I'm just going to reach over here. This is our milk. You Canadians know exactly what I'm talking about. Some of you Americans don't. We get bag milk. So you get 3 sleeves in a big bag. That's going to be horrible to do now. Got to pinch it. Pound it down. Cut the tip. And here we go. And if you're really thrifty, you wash these out and you use them for sandwiches. That's what my mom used to do. But you know what? It works. And it is food grade plastic, so who do we laugh? So,
you're using a man tool?
I'm using a man tool. Okay. So I'm just going to finish cutting these up. I've done it where I've been crunched for time, so I've just coated them in that, and then we did the dredge and then the deep fry. But you know, all you people with those new air fryers, I wonder if this would work. Huh. Food for thought. Who's going to try it and let me know? Because that might be the convincing factor right there on whether or not I jump in and get one, because I just hate buying another appliance I'm not going to use all the time. But if they do these, all the better. All the healthier. And that one's a little too close. Okay, so I'm just going to stick these in the fridge for a little while because we still got the ground beef to make into hamburger patties and get the rest of the meal ready. So I'll bring you back when we're ready to take the next step. Okay, so what I've done is just took like a scoop of flour. And I always season my flour a little bit just to dress it up. What have I got in here? I put garlic. I didn't put onion powder because, these are onions. And you could. I put a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And a little bit of basil, some parsley. Just pimp them up a little bit, right? The flour. And just leave that in there. I'm not going to fish it out with my finger and then tell you don't do that. So, milk. Or buttermilk if you have that, that's better. But this works. Dredge them in. Drop them in. I'm going to stir that up, get them nice and going. So I'm going to do this to the whole bowl. If I need more flour, I will get it. I shouldn't though. And I'll bring you back when they're almost done so you can see what they're supposed to look. Oh, before we go, I did look it up on the French's crispy coated coverings or something is what they call these things. I got snapshots anyway, and I'll put them at the end of the video. The ingredients, they promise they use fresh ingredients. The ingredients, I had to go on the website to get it, couldn't find it on the container. They use modified palm oil. What's that? And dextrose. I know what that is. Sugar. I don't want sugar in my onions. So, make your own. And they're too expensive. Bring you back. They're almost ready. Okay, so I got them all in. Nice hands. I got these all in here. And I'm just going to let them toast up. Keep them moving. You never walk away from hot oil. Ever. Now, like I said earlier, if some of you people have those air fryers, let me know if you can do this recipe in that. I mean, that would be awesome. So, I wanted to show you guys working with onions or fish, and there's an onion right there that hid, or garlic, anything stinky, and you know, you gotta run to the door or take care of something, and I mean, your hands reek, right? So I'm just gonna use this right now. Only because I have flour. It's defeating the purpose of what I want to show you. So I was playing with the onions earlier. I was playing with the onions earlier, and my hands stunk. So I instinctively came over here off camera, and I thought, oh, I should have showed them that. A lot of you probably know it. Stainless steel. You can buy the little bars. They look like a bar of soap. Or just wash your hands over the faucet of your stainless steel. You're going to wash the sink anyway when you're done doing what you're doing. And onions gone. Garlic would be gone. Everything's gone.
And fish.
And fish. Yeah, like seriously gone. And you just got to wipe that down when you do your dishes. Okay, so I'm still stirring. I want these nice and golden brown. I'll bring you back. Alrighty, so I got them finished. I'm just going to leave them here to drain. I want all the oil off them. They're so good. They're crunchy. They're hot. Better than store-bought. Cheaper. Okay, we're just going to sit here and finish cooking. Wait for Andy to get the barbecue in. We'll be right back. Okay, I'm just going to get a plate ready here. You know, mine cooked just a little bit too long. Like, I mean, seriously, by a minute. It happens that fast. And they are still better than the ones in the store. So what we have here is a homemade hamburger pickle from Andy's garden. I made a beautiful zucchini relish that we just can't get enough of. Thank God I made enough. I'll be planting a lot more of those zucchinis. Our homemade ketchup. That's coming too in season, right? Homemade mustard. I only need a little. Andy doesn't want too much mustard either. And then top that off with some of these fried French onions. Close that up. And I made some fries to go with that. I'll just be a sec. I'm going to give this to Andy and we'll be right back.
Oh, they're good.
They pimp up a burger, don't they?
That's a big burger. That's a burger.
But those onions, right?
Those onions are great.
I love it on a barbecue. You don't want to do it to your burger every time you have burgers. Just when you want to pimp one up. Or on a salad.
It's pimped.
Or in your soup.
Oh, yeah.
A casserole. It can go on and on. We could do like Forrest Gump here right now.
Forrest Gump.
Catch y'all later. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and please leave a comment below. I'm going to join them for dinner now.